Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brown saddle set from Ariel Rider. This will fit both the X-Class bikes and the Grizzly bikes. So what we're going to do is we're going to open them up. I will leave the link in the description for this set. It's $249 on their website. It's available now, but let's get it open and let's see what they look like. We're really excited to put this on our X-Class step through. It's going to look really nice. And apparently this seat is a lot more comfortable. And guys, don't mind the shaky video here. We're working on another camera rig to do these unboxings. But for now, this is gonna have to work. Be careful when you're cutting this open because the seat is right here, so you don't wanna cut into it. Be careful of the saddle here. Oh, wow. Guys, look at that. So this is a short saddle. So this is faux leather. But guys, this is really soft. And to put this on, you're gonna have two nuts here and two nuts here, and that will replace your current seat. Yeah, you can already tell too that this is gonna be so much better. That is awesome. Very nicely done. And guys, this is super soft, but not too soft, where you can feel like the base of the seat will definitely hold up. And then in this pack as well, you get the full leather grips, full replacement. So this is going to be your throttle side with the half grip. You guys, look at that. And then your other grip. You guys, check that out. The craftsmanship is really, really good. And honestly, for the price, these beat any seat makers out there, which are super expensive. So, and we also have the passenger seat in brown, and that comes in the brown saddle set. So we'll open this as well. You guys, be careful. Here, cutting this open. Yeah, be careful, guys. So whatever you cut this with, this is right on top. So you definitely don't want to poke or rip any holes in the seat. Maybe they can put like a, sounds silly, but maybe another box in here to keep the knives of the scissors from cutting straight into that seat. And this will go on the back behind your short saddle. And you could put a passenger on here, and this is going to be super comfy. And the same for set of bolts and nuts. Very nice, guys. Well done, Ariel Rider. What we'll do, we'll line these up so you can see exactly what you get in the box. We also want to show off our Ariel Rider logo. So guys, we're super excited to get this on our bike. So stay tuned for more videos. And guys, as always, if you like our videos, please consider subscribing. Hit that thumbs up button. Also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos, including the brown saddle set that we will be putting on the X-Class. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.